So my question is, there's 2 cops in the car. I'm assuming the passenger is going to be on his phone because it's just today's world. But what the hell is she doing?
Whoa, whoa!
What's up guys, Squink here. I am here to break down another video for you. I do these videos every single day, and today I'm going to be answering the question, what the hell are the cops doing? Why is he speeding? Why is he dressed like that? Why is he rude to her? I'm here to answer all those questions and more. Today's video comes from Donut's Raw Police Footage. The video is titled Cop Car Kills Pedestrian. Pretty straightforward stuff here. I've never seen it. We're going to break it down in real time. Let's jump in. So it looks like we got in-car camera right here, dash cam. No music? He's not listening to any music. Interesting. I don't know how you could drive around on night shift and not listen to a podcast or music or something.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Fuck?
Oh, shit! Oh my fucking god! You didn't see them? Oh my fucking god, Kennedy!
Was he not paying attention?
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god! You didn't see them?
No.
Oh my fucking god, Kennedy!
Oh my god.
91B75. We need HFD at Antoine.
Sir, get call the ambulance right now! Oh my god, go!
I did. I already did.
Antoine, where? CPR in progress! My mom! Y'all kill my mom!
APR north of Pinemont. And we need a sergeant.
CPR in progress, say it!
CPR.
I just have to wonder... Okay, she's not speeding, she's not going to call, she's not lights and sirens, she's not running hot, none of that. I understand they're in the middle of the road, but... I don't know, I just don't understand how she didn't see them.
In progress.
You can tell she does not want to be a part of that situation outside of the vehicle with the person she just hit, because she's kind of just like secluding herself inside the vehicle. Which is kind of a bitch move in my opinion. You can tell she's freaking out. You can hear it in her throat. She keeps clearing her throat.
I'm rolling your window up.
Wake up, please! Just give me some space, buddy. I know, I understand. Just give me some space. I understand. Hey, where you guys at? In the car.
Pinemont and...
She doesn't even know where she is, man.
Golden Forest.
I'm doing what I can. Hey, can you breathe? Okay, I got HFD around here. Hey, she's moving. Hey, can you talk? I understand.
She's moving.
She might. Hey, let's get her in recovery. She started breathing. Whoa! Oh, shit! Oh, my God. Oh, my fucking God.
How does that happen?
Watch out. Hey.
At least the male officer got out immediately. Guys, this is going to piss some people off, but I don't know what the fuck the female officer was doing. The driver, I don't know what she's doing.
Can you breathe?
I don't know how she didn't see him.
Hey, watch out. Watch out. Sir. Get call the ambulance right now. They already on the way. Oh my God, go.
What are you waiting for?
CPR in progress. My mom. Hey, CPR in progress. Say it.
Mama. Mama. Mom, please. You're not dying. Please. Come on. Pray. Jayla, come here. Come here. She's waking up.
Mom, wake up, please. Just give me some space, buddy. I know. I understand. Just give me some space. I understand. Who was driving the car? Hey, breathe. Come on, breathe. Can you breathe? Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me?
I swear we need you. Mom, I'm telling you.
Hey, I understand. Just give me some space, buddy, okay? Just give me some space. I'm doing what I can. Hey, can you breathe? Can you breathe? Can you talk? Can you talk?
Please.
Hey, she's moving. Hey, can you talk?
Her leg. She got blood in her mouth.
What the fuck is she doing? What is she doing? I know she's putting on gloves, whatever, fine. But why is he doing everything? Why is this officer doing everything? She has no sense of urgency. I didn't hear her say CPR was in progress over the radio like he told her to. There's no sense of hustle. She's kind of giving them attitude when they're like, you ran over our mom. She's like, kind of giving them attitude.
I understand. She might. Hey, let's get her in recovery. She started breathing.
No.
Yeah. All right. You guys know where you're going?
Bentob or TMC.
Okay. Cop car kills pedestrian. So that woman died. I just have to break this down further right here. I would estimate these speeds are probably 30 miles an hour, maybe 40. Okay, I can already see them. And maybe that's because of the title, so I'm looking for it. But it's her eyes are going to see this situation better than this shitty dash cam we're watching. And I can already see them. So my question is, there's 2 cops in the car. I'm assuming the passenger is going to be on his phone because it's just today's world. But what the hell is she doing?
Whoa!
I don't even see her attempting to brake at the point he says, whoa.
Whoa!
She just keeps going. She doesn't even react to whoa.
Whoa! Oh, shit! Oh, my fucking God! You didn't see them? Oh, my fucking God, Kennedy!
And then the...
Oh my God.
There's no sense of urgency on her behalf.
You didn't see them?
No.
Oh, my fucking God, Kennedy!
He's already over there.
91B75. We need HFD at Antoine.
She's just kind of like circling. She's in disbelief.
Sir, get call the ambulance right now. Oh my God, go.
I already did.
Guys, this could have been prevented in my situation. I'm putting myself in the cops' situation. I think about all the countless night shifts I was so tired for. Just driving around like a zombie. There were so many times people were in the roadway and I didn't have any experiences where it ended like this. So I'm not understanding how she died, yeah. I'm not understanding how she didn't see him. I really don't. I don't know if she's just zoning out or what. And it's only 9:53 p.m. Like, this is a sad situation. She had her 3 kids with her when this happened. I kind of upset with the female officer. I'm going to be honest, and I'm going to give her an F. I'm going to give her an F because I really don't think she was paying attention. You know, I almost wonder if she was on her phone or looking at the computer or something. This is the thing you have to understand about being a police officer. You have to learn to divide your attention across the computer, your phone at times, the roadway, the radio. And she only had to focus on driving as far as we're concerned, and and this happened. I don't know. I'm really disappointed with this one. I'm really disappointed with how this ended. This could have been prevented. Rough video, I know, but we are reacting to police videos, so it is what it is. I give her an F. I really do. I don't know why. I don't know how she didn't see them in the middle of the roadway. Now, granted, should they have been in the middle of the roadway? No, probably not. But as a driver, you also have a duty of looking out for pedestrians on the roadway, even if they're not supposed to be where they are. This cop, the female driver, the female cop, gets an F. This is ridiculous. I have no explanation. I really don't. I hope they investigate this deeply, and then they interview her partner, because it sounds like the passengers saw them in the roadway before she did, and I didn't see the weight of the vehicle shift towards the front when he said whoa whoa whoa, meaning I don't think she braked. I don't think she braked. I don't know. I do these videos every single day. I call out bad behavior when I see it. If I feel like a cop should have done better, I'm going to say something. And I have no problem calling out suspects and cops alike. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have videos you want me to react to, send them my way. I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Bye.